Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for joining me on my corner. I am Kamishna. This is my corner, and I'm excited because I'm making my body butters with my new shea butter. So, the last time I talked to you about shea butter, I was in Ghana, and I had a bit of an epiphany with shea butter and the condition that we find shea butter in the United States. Well, at least I found shea butter in the United States. The condition that I find it in. Oh, Adwa, can you turn it down? Are you watching that? Oh, okay. You can turn it off, actually. Yes. So the condition that I found shea butter in the past versus the condition of the shea butter that I got in Ghana. So I said that when I'm making my butters, I was going to actually show you how clean and pristine the shea butter actually is. So I'm showing it to you. Look at this shea butter. I have never gotten shea butter from any supplier in the United States. That's where I am, in Brooklyn. That's where I am. Or online. That's been this clean. And I buy raw shea butter. I don't buy the refined shea butter because I don't know the processes that they use to refine the shea butter. So I like to buy raw shea butter. And this is raw shea butter. They actually cook with this in, I don't know if all parts of Ghana cook with this, but I know in Tamale they do. So it's an edible product. Of course, we're not eating it, but the state of it is edible. The state that it's in right now, it's an edible product. But of course, like I said, we're not going to be eating it. We are going to be using it to make body butter. All right, so I'm getting my knife, and I was using my knife to cut soap. So it still has, oh, well, I'm on my corner. So you know what happens when I'm on my corner. We hear all kind of noise. So I was using my knife to cut soap. So we still have a little bit of soap residue on it. So I'm just cleaning off my knife so I can use it to dish out my shea butter. All right, let's put all of this to the side. And then, my table is full of stuff. Excuse me. All right, so we're gonna just measure out, make sure that's okay. It's tiered. The amount of shea butter that we want. Oh, so I'm excited to be making my body butters with my new formula and my new shea butter. The pristine shea butter that you are seeing right here. I'm loving it. So my new formula, it's an herbal blend. I used to make my body butters with coconut oil, which I'm no longer doing. I'm using a blend of oils with an herbal infusion. Wait, oh, okay, 3, 4, 5. With an herbal infusion in it. So it's an herbal butter. Which I am very happy with. So yes, I have been working diligently to get all my products together since I've come back from Ghana. I have a new liquid soap formula, which I actually have to tweak just a tad bit I have my black soap together. I've been making bar soaps. I actually had to order more lye because I've run out. Oh, sorry. I'm not paying attention and too much. Actually, how much do I want to do? I was just going to do, you know what, let me do more. I don't want to do too small a batch, and then actually I don't want to do too big a batch either because I have a small bowl. Okay, let's do half a batch and not do the whole thing because I have a okay. All right, so I am going to put together what I need to, and you can enjoy the music as you watch me blend my herbal body butter.